This is new work. New work. Yeah, these are brand new. These are put up in bed. After bed.
Is that the poles are up?
Yeah. They come up with the pole, they does up.
Yeah, Richie. You have any? The Bushmark, yeah, the Bushmark.
Luxury. Before you reach the program.
Oh, you're not bad. Jump up. See the big
Maternity.
I don't know if you want to.
So we walk around.
Yeah, walk around instead of through the wall.
Yeah, man. And that.
Looking at all, nothing to us in Kingston.
Nothing.
But you have passed.
I see that. I want to thank all of you for your service. I know it must have been a harrowing experience.
Very, the most terrifying experience in all my life, and I would not want to see it again.
But you don't report any loss of life.
Thank God, God has been good to us.
So thank God for that. But obviously, the care that you have taken in protecting the patients would have paid. So I don't know if you have had an opportunity to see the rest of the film, but certainly you have heard.
We're not sure what's going on at home. Many of us don't know what is happening to our children, our parents, because we are here. We are here.
We just can't hear anything from them. Yeah, we have no movement.
Exactly. I don't think none of us are competent enough to describe what happened. It is beyond imagining. We can't really imagine. At one point you would think that you have some missiles just letting go in the glass. You just see things just going here, there, glass, boom. And in spite of everything, patients are there to take care of. Even after the storm, we have emergencies, using lanterns and flashlights. But God has been good to us.
So what we're doing now is the initial assessment of the damage. We have with us the acting Chief of Defense Staff and Brigadier Williams as well. And they are doing their assessment that will feed into ADPEN. Hopefully by tomorrow we will have cleared the routes in to Black River because they're all blocked now. There's no traffic that can come in vehicular from outside. As I'm seeing, some of your transmission towers are down, so telecommunications will be affected. Of course, almost all of your electrical grid is down. No, that's what we're trying to do now. We're doing an assessment to see where we need to put what equipment to move. I know it's rough. I know it's rough for me, but yeah, I have to hold it out now. All right? I have to just hold it out. By tomorrow, however, roads will be open. That's what we're working on. That is something that we could.
Yeah, I can talk to the road bus service once you can get in people definitely.
Yeah. So you're not from here. Where are you from? Oh, yeah, Mount. Oh no, but definitely within the parish, yes, we can provide transportation. Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
yes, within the parish we can do it. All right.
Can run some routes. Can't remember the buses won't be.
So we are in touch. Yeah, that's what we're doing. All right.
We got to say that, son.
History.
To certain people, it brings comfort. My respect.
What's up?
Everything, sir, everything.
Yes, I want you. What time are they
So
coming?
you see all these go on, you know, you have to talk to them and stuff.
I tell you. Never. I tell you. Oh, me see it, man. Blessings.
Caan, I can't remember.
Tell you.
Tell me. I powers.
Yeah, man. Right now, I got to pray about Rick. Rick, you think Rick can help me now? Trust me. I tell you. Wow.
I'm going to try to them homeless and shopless. And show them asthma take them.
You see the data call.
Yes, sir. The flappy place.
How we talk about what Fijian didn't
Fijian the one you asked for.
They could have been. Didn't make sense. Hey, what's up, mama? What?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You look good. Our sponsor, Caan. See that?
What's on the start?
Wicked history.
What's on the What is this?
Judgment. Judgment on earth.
You want like to tell time?
Oh, old man, come on.
You know this is a bridge at all? Look here. I'll show you how far your water there. Look how far your water there. That's some your head. My head so. Judgment. I feel it. Soldier them done. Eh? Can't cross, man, but you return back. When I turn back, I go 12 way. Go straight down. What's that? Disaster. Left Jamaican in a shock. Also, disaster. Look there. Big gave a road come in a driveway, in a water, in a river. The father was like that gone. All of them was like that gone. The shop top gone. Background wicked. Yo! Eh? Alive! Yo, standing man! I want side gone! The backside! I see! Huh? No! My plan can't send them a video. The video I turn them my phone till Wi-Fi come. The same plan when me have can't send them. I have to wait till Wi-Fi come. Huh? No plan there on the phone. Why till me never tell them come and come go for your phone? And when Wi-Fi come back, I'm going to send them. Me say when Wi-Fi come back, I'm going to send them. You understand? See the road block. I'm not reach out there.
Yo, so which other house I move from? See it over there, today. See house there. And so a 9.5 in a Golia Yard. RS Crown dog. Good God, the mount that car wash your own. Boost turn over everything. The amount that car wash your own. See all the except flood right out. Yo, we need help. How many people them there with the help people? Oh, we don't see people them with the help people pass through it. Watch our whole place flat you.
courthouse. The school was here, Purple Building. I don't remember what was here. I think Dr. Something office was here. Mami Delhi. That is in the town. You see, we have no roads, literally. Every GPS pole on the ground. See mash up everywhere.
How you doing?
Hi, what's up? Everywhere mash up. Yeah, look. Right in I see through the supermarket. Go. I did the eye place here, so it's a pharmacy. Watch here, this a building a Ghana to come. Backside then I came them building this here, no? Me co-worker, I'm at a shop this. I'm a co-worker. Mother shop this. Have mercy. Lord God. Hey. New Walters. My God. Yeah.
I pharmacy?
I pharmacy. Nothing in there. Jesus. Look there. I came them shop they used to there, so you know.
Road to go a maroon town, you know? Here do. Roll like road, son.
The whole of money house cover under the dirt. The man house see the right now, the local part, the right there, so, and everything gone down. See there? See there, people? See there? Everything gone. Money house covered, but he was not in his house at the time when the landslide come down. Jesus Christ.
Man, a crocodile.
No fish now come up here so soon. You see all the water deep? The car gone down.